Hey guys, welcome to this video, and I'll show you how to change how the bell alarm is on the Est Edwards 6632 fire alarm control system. So open it up. You'll have all of these. Make sure your bells are disconnected in the process. So all the way here on the left side, there's a ton of dip switches. If it's like this, then it will sound like this. It'll only click on and nothing will happen. But if you take this, like a screwdriver, locate the 3 on it, locate dip switch 3, and flick it, it will sound like this. And I believe, is it 5? No. 4, let's try that one. Yeah. If it's just 4 on, it'll sound like this. If you have the dip switch 3 and 4 on, it'll sound like this. Dip switch 2 on is just a singular thing like that. And if I were to turn, does nothing. 5 still does nothing. 7. Anyways, 3 on is my favorite because it'll go. The bell will go bling, 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 and then it'll wait a few seconds, then go bling, bling, bling. Wait a few seconds, bling, bling, bling. So let's turn this off and this. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next Est Edwards video.